Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.
There are different types of fractions: proper, improper, mixed, and whole. Proper fractions. Proper fractions whose numerator is smaller than the denominator and its value is always less than 1. Improper fractions, they are very bad. They are always more than 1. And that the numerator is always bigger than the denominator. That's how you remember denominator. Denominator is always down. Numerator is up. So numerator is much bigger, heavier than the denominator. And it's more than 1. And what are whole fractions? One second. Let me see. Oh, 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is whole fractions because the value will come to 9 divided by 9 will become as 1. So the value is 1. So it's whole fractions. And what about the mixed fractions? What about mixed fractions? Mixed fractions are simple. You have one biscuit. Let's say you have one biscuit and somebody gives you half a biscuit more. So what happens? 1 plus half. 1 plus half. That is a mixed fraction. These are the types of fraction.
Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.